You don't see it because you've learned to operate within it. It's become invisible to you. However, guests can feel it. Guests can see it. You can't address it because you can't. Here's an example. A few months back, I had new knobs put on my kitchen cabinets. And wouldn't you know it, a few weeks after having them done, one of those suckers broke. And I thought I had just enough replacements. I didn't. And they were on back order. Okay. Well, what am I supposed to do? Replace all of the knobs that I just had done? Absolutely not. We're not doing that all over again. So I placed my back order and I learned to open up that doggone kitchen cabinet without using the knob. Now, for the first week, it annoyed the hell out of me. It really did. Eventually, I stopped seeing it because the goal was never just to have a cute knob on that cabinet door. The whole purpose was so that I could open that cabinet door easier to get a glass. I can still get the glass. The purpose is open the cabinet, get the glass, have a refreshing beverage. I can still do that. Now, I no longer see that knob missing. And yes, it's still on back order. But someone who comes to my house notices it immediately. That's a glass wall. Every one of us knows what that is. Now you have that in your business, and that's a whole different ballgame. You can explain your whole knob back order story to someone that visits your home. To a luxury brand guest, customer? No, you can't explain that. They won't accept it, nor should they. The glass wall is real. It's also why the people inside of your organization, your team members, your coworkers, your C-suite, why they can't be the ones to solve the glass wall issue because they can't see it. That's simple. No one's doing anything wrong. No one's being negligent. They've just adapted. Now, this is the entire reason I created the glass wall discovery. 1 week, diagnostic, I go in and look at what's going on and see what you simply won't. Simple as this. An outside perspective, fresh eyes. That's your first benefit. The second is a framework. Actionable, reasonable, and it's not going to be some 75-page doorstop that your operations team eventually uses it for. This is going to be a 12 to 15-page report. Easy, actionable. And third, final, you receive governance, framework, build out. When the AI vendor leaves, and they're going to, and the AI stays, you need a way to make sure that that AI is not breaking brand promise. It's still delivering on the guest and the client experience, and that it's not doing real damage by expanding a glass wall. That's the entire